ni sambula vinaka, ni mata vinaka mai. O ni varronga tinga mai ongo ina nonda programo ni nonda mbula ena radio viti e Aotearoa ena ka rusa wuluka 5 ni vula ko January ronondolu rusa wuluka 1. Enda sana rongo sara indona nonda wakanga wakaalo. Na nonda I wakanga wakaalo sa me tolu sana wuluka viti kine ndua kina vitu. Abinaka ni vosa kina wakamauta. Kakua ni tanga ya ena bukunda na tantada. Kakua ni bubu takira era tauta kadala. Era na takaliani me wakana dhon mandu. Karena mate me wakana kausa malai. Mono wakan dinati tioba. Nga katakaba na kanda donu. Onangai tawana tinga na banua katango makibinaka. Wakasangarana no mumarau be tioba. Enangai sulibi kokoya na kasanga ndreva na yalomu. Musaliana no mumbula be tioba. Wakandinati koya enangai ukei kokoya. Enadakabo koya misera una no muvinaka me wakana rarama. Kena nomi alutonu me wakana rarama ni singa leu tu. Tiko wakano mandi ena mata I tioba. Ka waraki koya tiko. Ka kuani loma lenga ena bukundra era tiko binaka. Se ena bukundra era rohata binaka na nonra ina kita. Wasa turanga leviti mai ena wala tampu ni wasa vaka-Viti. Wakati wataga na South Pacific Bible Society. Ronondol tinka rua mai suwa. Vinaka enda sana ngole sarongo menda rongodanga na nonda Ulutaga ni nonda mbula ka mbiu mai me keito kadwakea ni weekenda ena singa ni kua nai ka rosanga buluka 5 ni bula ko January ronondolu rosanga buluka 1 sa tutolo saratiko na kena toso na nonda matai ni bula na bula January na nonda Ulutaga warautaki na nonda waka-rautaki kenda ena so na rakitha se na kena wawalangi preparing for weather emergencies, a reminder with the stormy weather, flooding and loss of power in Northland. Indua na kai wariteki mai ni na lenga mai ado e Northland e Aotearoa ni Salandi ka mai wakabuna kina menda I loba na nonda waka-rautaki kenda e na ngauna ni rakitha se dua na emergency mbeka e ado berau ninda waka-rautaki kenda kina ya ke wakai kaukaua na nraki kaukaua na thangi lebu mbeka na lubu ka mai thabuka na liba ena kena wawalangi stormy weather, flooding and loss of power in me vai ado mai Northland. Ne karuni Ulutaga na kena waka-roti tinga mai weekenda menda tinko matinga ni se tawiri tinga na kenda mali ona misila mata kena COVID vitau vitinga ne katolu ni Ulutaga na nonda tango mai kenda na ona ni raki katkata se reminder for summer safety. Ya weekenda weir nonda vale menda vivu kitakani na nonda maroro kenda e vale sarvaro lesu ki kornvulur na ngone menda varo takirani ena ngona ni raki katkatongo ya ukikina nonda isulu na nonda driving oni sala na nonda ngole ani na vivu ni sisilimbeka dale pikini tui waitui matasawa me vai ndarida tiko elevu na ngio elevu na ikele levu era sam wole kasarti ngamai E na korturanga lo rei toka na vida na māthawa sige o tingo rua mbeka na māthawa runa oka rasa ravita saratunga mai na vanua randau lei sisiliki na ngone e na Wellington foreshore e ntona ka menda reida tiu na ngone ni rekatakata menda leo abinaka na vanua nda lei silikina na vanua nda lei pikiniki tukina nei kawa Pacific Health Providers era sa lesu e na non ngauna ni dhaka e na mbaki wau. Nei ka lima, a call for registrations for Pacific Health Services Hutt Valley, 11th Family Fun Touch Tournament. Dua nangito e na vaedhoriti wani katin kandua, karatongu na host tua kina, na Pacific Health Services. A reminder about MPP's Toloa scholarship and sa songo ene karusabluka tolu sa songo oti. Kena yoti nga songa na tutuku membaleta na misila na idhula ni tatarobi na sona i wakatakila ni misila kena sona ka menda ngangarau ni kina me na kena wakaretaki ni tau weekenda se endua e tauwa na misila. Sona tiki ni wala tutu kongo una ulika ngai ni wakawalangi au nangai wakandeo taka se au songa na tiki no na mbalta ni balabu saratoka na kena na wala tutu ko er tumbita tiumai na tambana ni mbula na Positively Pacific kena te whatu ora. Waiwirewiraka vei holona, e na Catalyst Pacific, e na nona veo si mai, wiki mami na daunikatkidi waki, e na rechio, wiki tō na Pacific Wellington broadcasters. We are aware cases of COVID reinfection over the Christmas New Year break linked to long COVID. There may be others, similar with measles, especially with people returning or visiting from overseas. With the severe stormy weather, flooding and loss of power in Northland, it's a reminder for all of us about the need to have an emergency plan in case we have to leave our homes in a hurry. Emergency management and making an emergency management plan for the whole family. Here are some of the basics to think about and plan for. This includes making an evacuation plan as a family. Where will you and your family go if you have to leave home? Collecting children from wherever they are if need be. Relatives, friends, playgroups, holiday events, etc. And if during school term, who's collecting them from school? Agree on a safe place to meet. Put together an emergency grab bag for home and work. In your grab bag, you should have important items that you and your family need, such as medications and personal hygiene items, important documents, cash, and any special items needed by family members, like a baby supplies or pet supplies, warm clothing, first aid supplies, and communication devices. Know how to switch off your utility services if you need to. Example, the gas, electricity, and water supply to your home. Get your neighbors' contact details. Know the location of your nearest community emergency hub. Make a note of your local radio station frequency. Sort out home and contents insurance. As the holiday draw to a close, a reminder of our usual holiday messages to keep ourselves and our families safe. Safe driving back from holidays. Better to take your time and arrive a little late, and safe than not to arrive at all because of a car accident. Tailgaters, speeding drivers who follow too closely, Let them pass where it is safe to do so. Slow down on amber traffics rather than speeding up to beat the change to red and a potential traffic fine. Take breaks or share the driving to avoid driver fatigue. Watch out for sunstrike. Summer safety being sun smart. Water and boating safety. Coping with stress and anxiety post-Christmas and New Year can be stressful with lots of people, children in the boredom, shortage of money with payment for bills beginning to be due. Be patient. Undertake activities as a family which don't require much money. Example, going for walks together, playing cards, drawing, learning new songs. If you can sense people are getting uptight or hangry at home, suggest going for a walk in a nearby park, bush, garden or beach, etc. Make a New Year's resolution. Set a goal for 2026 and outline a plan for what you need to do towards achieving your goal. Example, set a target weight loss weight. Plan a new health diet. Learn to play an instrument or songs during the year. On the Pacific Health Provider front, Pacific Health Plus in Aotearoa and the Kapiti Coast and Pacific Health Services Hutt Valley are back to normal hours. Pacific Health Plus hours are Aotearoa Clinic opening hours Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday 9 to 5:30 p.m. After hours Wednesday, Thursday 6 p.m. to 8. Number 4 Bedford Court, Aotearoa, New Zealand 5024. Phone 04890 3620 or toll free 0800 747 587. Pacific Health Plus Paraparaumu Kapiti Clinic, opening hours Monday and Friday 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Address Milne Drive, Paraparaumu 5032, phone 04777 0050 or toll free 0800 747 587. Pacific Health Services Hutt Valley, Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Address 1 Hiwa Crescent, Nainai, phone 04 577 0394 or toll free 0800 747 213. Pacific Health Services Hutt Valley 11th Family Fun Touch Tournament is back. They are inviting entries. Places are limited, so register now to secure your team spot. Spaces fill fast. It's happening on 21st February 2026 at the Hutt Park. Entry fee $30 per team. How to enter? Register online at https://totaltouch.fmweb.nz/register a team or contact Bronwyn Junke 021-286-8240. Email admin@totaltouch.org.nz. For more information, visit www.mpp.govt.nz. Secondary and tertiary students wanting to gain qualifications in STEM subjects, that is, studying either science, technology, engineering. Here's a reminder about the symptoms of measles and what to do if you have these warning signs. Firstly, within the first 7 to 14 days after a person has been infected by measles, the first symptoms that measles usually begin with a high fever, may rise to more than 104 degrees Fahrenheit, cough, runny nose, red watery eyes, conjunctivitis. 2 to 3 days after symptoms begin to show, tiny white spots called complex spots might appear inside the mouth 2 to 3 days after symptoms begin. 3 to 5 days after the first symptoms begin, a measles rash appears. Measles rash appears 3 to 5 days after the first symptoms. It usually begins as flat red spots that appear on the face at the hairline. The red spots then spread to the neck, trunk, arms, legs, and feet. Small raised bumps may also appear on top of the flat red spots. The spots may become joined together as they spread from the head to the rest of the body. When the rash appears, a person's fever might rise to more than 104 Fahrenheit. What to do? Stay home if you are or others are feeling unwell. We strongly encourage anyone who's feeling unwell to stay at home and to contact Healthline at 0800 611 116 or their healthcare provider if you have any symptoms of measles. Even if you have not been at one of the known locations of interest, if you think that you might have measles, please phone ahead before visiting your doctor, your Aotearoa Maori provider, or Pacific Health provider so they can take precautions to prevent measles spreading. You can call Healthline for free anytime on 0800 611 116 for 10-minute information and advice. Contact tracing for locations of interest where the public health authorities cannot directly trace all the people who were there and might have been exposed to the measles virus. The public health authorities have listed the location of interest on the Te Whatu Ora Health New Zealand website. We encourage anyone who believes they may have been at any of the locations mentioned earlier to follow the instructions if they are close or casual contact and to monitor symptoms for measles. For close contacts, a close contact is someone who has been in the same room or had a face-to-face contact with someone who is contagious with measles. People who have measles are usually contagious, meaning they can spread measles to other people before they even know they have themselves. That is from 4 days before or until 4 days after their rash first started to show. This means they can spread the illness to others before they are aware they have it themselves. If you have been exposed to someone with measles and you have spent time with someone with measles while they were contagious, public health staff will get in touch with you to check if you could be a close contact. If you are a close contact, you need to isolate yourself, stay at home usually for 14 days. To prevent spreading measles to others, you must stay at home, isolate, and not go to work or school for 14 days after your rash first appeared. Public health staff will confirm the exact date that your official isolation period will end. After your isolation period ends, you may still not feel well enough to return to work or school. In this case, it is recommended you continue to stay at home until you feel better and have recovered from measles. Vaccination is the best protection. Getting 2 doses of MMR vaccine after 12 months of age protects 99% of people from measles and is free for most people. Visit Book a Vaccine for list vaccination sites in your area. Be proactive. Prevention is better than cure. Look after yourselves, your family, and loved ones. Make sure everyone is fully immunized. Stay happy and healthy. sona I tutuku me mbaletanga na Ulutaga awaka di bakatigaini ni ndana iloba tigaini ni kua wakande itaitinga mai ni se the wiri sartinga na kenda maliwa na misila ka watamba kindua taltinga mai na nonda wakarauta ki kenda ena ngauna ni kena na yado indua na rakitha me wa ayado mai Northland na kena mai lubu sona lubu saranga orto mai Northland da reida sartonga vidiriaki sona motoka sona veika me da warauta ki kenda kina me wa kenda na tigo na korturanga da wakila sona babala na levu ni uda o ira na tiko na bonua senga so ni tiko indelana na roni totolo na kena taraire ni na kena sine mai na drain back se sona vika bawaya yendo na kai ngandrebi menda baro te kenda kina na nonda wakarautaka na nonda ituatua ke mani lako ado endua na emergency ana kai tukuni tigo mai na me warautu mbeka endua na nonda kenda to ke le ruombe ngai tio vale men ro wakarautaka na nomun ro sona isulu mbeka sona kabarautaki ena duana emergency me reni tauringa anda lako na kakana na wai me da warauta tu de lako eta songo na paipo ni wai wakina na liva da warauta tu na kanrala se duana emergency non-electrical light tu na solar sa tu so rapaka battery ka kireital tinga menda tiko weekend endo na recho ke baka mani lako senga ni charge taki rao na telefoni o senga ni roni baka reida se baka rongoda sona ka mbiu mai na social media se na menda roni baka ron recho na nonda telefoni na kabina me tiko weekend endo na na recho leilai me rao ni da rongoda kina sona itutuk bimbi tukuni mai weekenda ni saheado indona lenga weekenda na tiko na korturanga vidana madongo nda wakila tiko ken ni kito manda na kapiti wakila isaranga na babala sena earthquake tremors sona kame nda baba rautukina kena manila lako ndona une se thangi kukua na thangi. Sabi visau sartinga na iwarau ninraki na ngaunango. Da rede lebo na beba no iwurapura era lubu mai Australia. Onua nga akama mai. O tinga indua se ruona madana. Ono tinga ea taubi na uda lubu tale. Vidiriaki uira na pikiniki tu i matasawa. Uira na wa caravan. Viri oi tui na nonra motoka na nonra caravan. So na vika me da tatango mai ki tukina me da wakarau te kenda. Ka tukuni taltinga mai, ke waka mani ado indua na emergency, balatan peka na nraki se, me tu na ituatua ke ratigo iranangone, na thaba na ituatua mbaletir nangone, ke ramani tigo mai nandua tal na vale, o dhe na le kautira mai, ke waka tigo mai koribuli, o dhe rao ni le kautiko mai authorize, me le kautiko mai koribuli. Sona veka menda I loba yani, me rani tau dhako tigo na nonda waka rauta ki kenda. Sa anga menda waka rauta ki kenda, ni ngauna nrenre, na ngauna inda sutawa tiko, vivi sau waka lebu na nraki, ia ongori na te uni ambaki. Ia ni sa salawa tutuani na neito wakanunui binaka, ninda na marauta tiko na te kavuni ambaki wauongo kanda nana makiani e na vika sa tui matanda menda na sotava mbeka yani ka wakarauta ki kena yani kina e na so na I tuva e sa tuva na ki tumai. Au via I lopa wale ngā e so na I tutuku mai na nonda bunolo mani e viti au me wani sa mai dhapa toka na nungu kadi wakayani na I tutuku ni nondambula ka warau teki mai na positively Pacific wabini binaka vei holona e na kena soli rau mai weekenda e so na iwala tutuku ea. Dona I tutuku au wakaulika toka mai na nondambunolo mani ni sa tete saratiko na kena nonra dikebi o I re tauwi ratu na thani nonra mai taura na wai ni veiwa matinitaki na wai nganga ni veiwa matinitaki ka kainaki ni 5% o I ronda dhurwa ungone lewa era se tiko na mayembaki ni mbula ni youth sa kainaki ni sa tuveira na HIV mai viti ena ngaunongo me mbaleta tiko na nonra do wakayanga taka wata na ivula sena kena kainaki na kai tukuni tumai ni randau vewa seitaka na me waka na kai tukuna mai orto na tambana ndau wala tiku mai na wala tukutuku ka san dewa sara na wala tukutuku ongo vertuna tambana ni World Health Organization. Fiji's HIV epidemic escalates. New rapid assessment highlights urgent gaps in access to safe injecting equipment, HIV prevention and stigma-free care among people who inject drugs. A new rapid assessment reveals that unsafe injecting practices driven by an absence of harm reduction services such as needle syringe programs are putting people who inject drugs in Fiji at increased risk of HIV transmission. The findings come as Pacific Island nation continues to face one of the fastest growing HIV epidemics in the world. Commissioned by the World Health Organization's WHO Division of Pacific Technical Support and the United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, the assessment was carried out on the request of Fiji's Ministry of Health and Medical Services by the Kirby Institute at the University of New South Wales, Fiji National University, and Australian Injecting and Illicit Drug Users League. The study, funded by the Global Fund, provides an in-depth assessment of drug use, risk behaviors, health-seeking behaviors, and gaps in service delivery to strengthen Fiji's public health response. The study combined a desk review of quantitative data, one-on-one interviews with 56 people who inject drugs, and 5 talanoas, a traditional inclusive way of storytelling and dialogue held with 50 key informants representing civil society, healthcare workers, government ministries, law enforcement agencies, and faith-based organizations. HIV cases in Fiji, which has a population of just under 1 million, have been rising sharply. In 2024, 1,583 new HIV cases were reported nationally, while 1,226 cases notified in the first 6 months of 2025 alone. UNAIDS modeled estimates suggest that the total number of people living with HIV in Fiji is higher and has been increasing rapidly from around 2,000 in 2020 to an estimated 6,100 in 2024. Among people starting HIV treatment in 2024, 48% were people who inject drugs, highlighting the disproportionate impact on this group. All participants in the rapid assessment interviews reported that because of a lack of access to sterile needles, syringes, they had at some time reused the needle syringe after someone else. This places them at high risk of HIV, viral hepatitis, and other injection-related infections. While so-called Bluetoothing has been widely reported in the media, the researchers found little evidence of this high-risk practice, which involves sharing blood between users after one person has injected a drug. Ya kuana kai tukuni tukani ni levo na ngauna sara kadibatu na nora bakaya taka na idula watahira me kaina ki niongo na Bluetoothing. Sa wakarera bakisaranga na kena wakanga taki wakailoa veira na nonda dharuo sana yada tigo ikia au wanu nui binakaya ni vekimni nui taka ni na maroroi na numni mbula vekenda na tuongo e Aotearoa vambembia na Central Region kei na Korturanga kenda na tigo na Korturanga menda wakawilika e sona i tukutuku ni nonda waka rautaki kenda kanda rongoda ene sona waka sala momona mai ira na kenda ndau me kakuanga ni nda wili tunga waka vitalia ena social media mbala televu na ngauna e sona kai tuku ni tumai e senga nindina sana yanga menda nganga rauni kina mbala tekwe kao o le wilika o wakantei taka siang sartu matanga nindikewa o the mbiuta mai na itutuko ya kao sanga nikila na kia na vanua le tehu mai kina e ando na vanua barerwa ki raninda rongo the kina e sona tukutuko e siang nindonu siang nindina mona ngaro na binaka veki tau na ka kede o nina rongo the ni ke tondo kade bakayani e na Radio-Viti e Aotearoa se Radio-Viti nga e na vei sai Aotearoa ne wani tiko e vida na neto programu te uu mai Hawke's Bay tiki na Radio-Viti tiko na Radio-Viti Manatu Horowhenua tiko na Radio-Viti Wairarapa tiko na neto Radio-Viti Kapiti tiko na Radio-Viti te tau ihu ondau na rongodanga na Radio-Viti o na saroni wakandei taka go e sema ki na Viti Council e Aotearoa o Viti Council e register e na charity services e Aotearoa New Zealand ka rani o wakandei taka o na raidana neto vola mata e tiko e na Facebook rani o raida kina so na pei ka waia mo waka i loba ka wakandei taka ni ndina tiko na vei ka o wilika ni lako tiko mai e na dua na mbure ni vei tala noa se rauninda ka e na reputable source. E ai sona ka me rauninda e rapa tiko me rauni toso vinaka tuikina na nonda vei o seita ka e ne sona i tukutuku bimbi me mbaleti kenda. Na vei ka me mbaleta na tukutuku ni Fiji's HIV epidemic au na kei wilika pena kayani kau na kei tikitikiva kau na mbiuta talanga yani e nandua tantale na streaming merani ra wuli talanga mai kino irno e kanda ratiku mai na nonda bonola mani e viti sa koe toka mengaya na vekau veo seitu yani kina vekemni me wani ndasa oleheni mai vava tiungo na bulo January sanda tiungo ne ka rosa ulka 5 ni vulko January sabunga ndona madhao malavu me thabayani na vulongo. Vikenda na register tumbeka na charity services so kemni mbeka o ni a register mai so mbeka na songo vikenda na Fiji diaspora register tu mai en incorporated society monikilatiko sa mai visau na lawa ni na okoe e senga ni visau taka na nona constitution ka senga ni re-register sana mai ala na ka 5 ni April i ronondolu rosaul kaono na kaukoa ni songo o dhidi tung mai kina kebaka o senga ni re-register. Ea indona tikina au nange mbita talangai ni indona ni robi talanoa ke indona maramandau ni lawa ko misubaka ningi nana mai kina ni natiko na kiana live streaming au nange mbita talangai ni e na Aotearoa Spirit of Fiji Research me wani da vitalanoa tingo e na nona muturara ni ngauna ni nondambula kawarau taka mai na Positively Pacific te fatu ora Health New Zealand mera ni ndarongoda kawarau taki kenda e na sona i tutuku membaleta na nondambula nonda tiko mbula ke na nondangarauna na nondambula ke mani lakolako e maiado e ndua na lenga bakasauri me waka na emergency weather conditions visau me watu ni to mai verto mai Northland se mai luhu ka senga na vanua me da ngole kina kaina kitaltinga me da wakailo na vanua nda tauni nda tuku kina mo kilati wewe na emergency vanua na emergency evacuation center da raida da kila da tiko no da namba ni telefoni da marro tiko ngone ya to kile ndona lenga sa kila saranga na bono mongole kina na emergency hub se na evacuation center wabi naka be kemnina se maro mai ki yau ungo ngana no mni ndoni wengarabi na vaka-Viti Elizabeth samanunu angani vala waka mode tuka ni vekem ni na korturanga te whanganu i Atara Wellington Aotearoa na Radio Viti Aotearoa na ngauna ni nondambula na i karosabulka 5 ni vulako January ronondolu rosabulka 1 medova na madhoka tumai me da gai verongo i ndoma tale na nondangauna ni nondambula ni te moda tokamanda.
Isa bulan